How to book a hotel on Agoda without credit card. To book hotel on Agoda without credit card, you can open up Agoda app or you can go to agoda.com from your browser. Once you come to agoda.com, make sure that you sign into your account. Now you can simply search for a destination or property and you can just hit the search button right here. So once you go ahead and then type in what kind of destination it is that you want, you can go ahead and then simply search for it. Now, if you want to book a certain property or a hotel, but without actually paying using a credit card right now, what you want to do is, first of all, you want to simply go ahead and enter a location where you want, select a date, and then once done, just hit the search icon right here. You will see lots of properties load up based on your search. Now on the right hand side, you can see free cancellation or you can book and pay later right there. So not all the properties will require you to pay with credit card instantly. So you can just book or reserve it for now. And later when you reach at the property, there you can simply pay using a payment method. So here you can scroll down, you can view the deal, you can just hit the book button right here and you can book now and pay later for some of the properties. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.